How are you doing, folks? James Farrer here, Junior Sale Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. And today I have this near mint condition 171 BMW 5 Series 520D SE Saloon. Let's take a quick look around her. You have the BMW LED front lights, the iconic BMW kidney grille with the silver trim, the front parking sensors, the BMW spoked alloys on the run flat tyres. You also had the silver trim surrounding the windows and the silver vent behind the front tyres. You have the shark fin aerial up top, the BMW 520D badging at the back, the rear LED taillights, the twin exhausts. You also have the automatic trunk. Just a simple click of the key fob and she'll pop right open. Yeah, folks, let's take a quick look at the interior and some of the specs on board this 520D SE. Now that we're inside, folks, you can see the multifunctional BMW paddle shift steering wheel, the semi-digital cockpit that comes in a comfort mode, sports mode and Eco Pro mode. Also on board is the BMW teleservice that contains some features such as enhanced Bluetooth communication, sat-nav navigation, connective drive, my vehicle and many other features on board. You also have the BMW iDrive system that allows you to control the teleservice, the automatic transmission, the electric e-brake, the automatic hold, the 360-degree parking sensors. The interior comes in a beige Dakota leather with a dark oak wood finish, surrounded by customizable ambient lighting. Right now it's in blue. Fully electric windows, automatic headlights, rain sensing wipers, air conditioning, heated seats, ideal for these cold, crisp Irish mornings. The pedestrian safety system, the BMW SOS service system, keyless push button start ignition, active guard and many other extras. Yeah, folks, that was just a quick look around this 171 BMW 5 Series 520D SE Saloon. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any other vehicle in our fleet, please do not hesitate to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video.